this is Khan from Peer Tutoring, and today we're going to solve a quadratic inequality and graph it. The inequality today is x squared minus 4x plus 13 less than 23 minus x. The very first step of solving a quadratic inequality is to combine like terms and move all of them to one side. The other side should always be 0. Now that I have x squared minus 3x minus 10 less than 0. The second step is just like with equations, we factor out the left-hand side. Here I have x minus 5 times x plus 2 less than 0. The third step is to solve for this corresponding equation x minus 5 times x plus 2 equals 0. To get 2 roots, x equals 5 and x equals negative 2. These two numbers will split the number line into 3 intervals: x less than negative 2, x from negative 2 to 5, and x greater than 5. Step 4 is to check for the sign of each interval. Pick any number within those 3 intervals. For example, I will pick negative 3, 0, and 6. Then I'm going to plug these test numbers into the left-hand side of my original inequality. Whatever sign I get after plugging in will be the sign of the whole interval. So if I plug 0 in, I will get 0 minus 5 times 0 plus 2, which is negative 10 less than 0. So the whole interval negative 2 to 5 satisfies the inequality. However, if I plug negative 3 in, I'll get negative 3 minus 5 times negative 3 plus 2, which is 8 greater than 0. And the same thing with 6. So the intervals negative infinity to negative 2 and 5 to positive. And the same thing happens when I plug 6 in. So the intervals negative infinity to negative 2 and 5 to positive infinity do not satisfy my inequality. So the last step is to plot the wanted intervals. Since we'll only take negative 2 to 5, I'll cross out the rest of the interval. Since we will only take negative 2 to 5, I'll cross out the rest. The last step is plot the wanted intervals. Since we'll only take negative 2 to 5, I'll cross out the rest of the number line. And that's it. So now we're going to review the steps that we did. So first, I'll combine like terms and move all of them to one side. Then factor out and solve for the corresponding equation. The roots that we find will split the number line to 3 intervals where we can pick the test numbers and decide which interval we want. Then we're going to plot the wanted intervals. So my last question is, should we take negative 2 and 5 as well? Let us know in the comment or come to Peer Tutoring for the answer. Thank you for watching.